If your liver's been working hard all week, today is its moment to refuel and rebuild. Day 6 is all about restoring the core nutrients your liver depends on: zinc, magnesium, vitamin A, potassium, and more to regenerate cells, stabilize blood flow, and power enzymatic detox like a pro. We begin with wild-caught salmon, delivering a perfect blend of vitamin D and omega-3s to reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation within the liver. Rolled oats follow up with magnesium and manganese to energize hundreds of enzymatic reactions, while raspberries contribute ellagic acid and vitamin C to protect liver vessels from oxidative damage. Meal 2 brings in lean chicken breast high in zinc, a key mineral for tissue repair and immune support. Brown rice backs it up with magnesium and selenium, while peeled peach slices offer vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural fruit sugars to support liver detox and reduce oxidative stress. In Meal 3, scallops step up as a clean, zinc and B12-rich protein that strengthens your liver's vascular support system. They're paired with mashed carrots for a dose of beta-carotene, the liver's preferred form of vitamin A, and turnip greens, loaded with potassium and vitamin K, to stabilize blood vessels and prevent oxidative strain. We close with a nutrient-dense finish. Egg whites supply amino acids for detox and vascular repair, while steamed asparagus supports fluid balance and liver cleansing. Almonds and walnut oil round out the day with vitamin E and heart-healthy fats to protect and nourish your liver's vascular network from the inside out. Bottom line, Day 6 is your liver's recharging station, infusing it with the minerals, antioxidants, and blood flow boosters it needs to stay strong and resilient. You're not just supporting detox here, you're investing in long-term vitality by restoring the foundation of liver health, micronutrients, and circulation. Next up, Day 7, hepatic repair and whole system synergy. Let's wrap up strong by integrating everything you've built this week, supporting liver repair while linking digestion, detox, and nutrient flow for total body harmony. You've made it to the final day of your liver optimization journey, and now it's time to bring everything together. Day 7 is about full spectrum support, fueling cellular repair, replenishing mineral reserves, and realigning your liver with every system it touches: digestion, immunity, metabolism, and detox. We kick off with grass-fed beef, rich in heme iron, B12, and amino acids, foundational tools for restoring damaged liver tissue and rebuilding enzymatic power. Millet comes in next with magnesium and silica, two key cofactors for cellular resilience. And cherries? They deliver anti-inflammatory anthocyanins and melatonin that help the liver rest, repair, and recalibrate. Meal 2 keeps the restorative pace going with grilled turkey, a powerhouse of lean protein and B6, perfect for energizing liver metabolism. Farro offers slow-digesting carbs plus fiber, iron, and zinc to fuel steady detox, while pineapple chunks provide bromelain and vitamin C to ease inflammation, support digestion, and enhance liver enzyme activity. In Meal 3, we bring in cod, a light, selenium-rich fish that supports healthy enzyme production without overloading your system. Roasted parsnips bring vitamin C and prebiotic fiber for gut-liver communication, and sautéed kale floods your liver with glucosinolates, folate, and vitamin K to keep cell renewal in motion. We close strong with a combo your liver will love: egg whites for clean, complete protein to rebuild enzymes, steamed spinach for folate and magnesium to keep methylation humming, and sunflower seeds plus olive oil to nourish cell membranes with anti-inflammatory fats and vitamin E. Bottom line, Day 7 is where deep repair meets total body synergy. You're no longer just supporting the liver. You're activating its power to uplift your entire system. From nutrient flow to detox rhythm to energy production, this is how you build harmony from the inside out. Fueling your liver isn't just about detox trends or quick fixes. It's about building a daily lifestyle that empowers your body's most essential metabolic powerhouse. Your liver is responsible for filtering toxins, metabolizing nutrients, balancing hormones, and storing vital energy reserves. How you nourish it directly impacts your energy, digestion, skin clarity, immune resilience, and overall health. By consistently choosing whole, nutrient rich foods like cruciferous vegetables, leafy greens, sulfur containing compounds, bitter herbs, clean proteins, and healthy fats, you're giving your liver the raw materials it needs to detoxify efficiently, repair itself, and perform at full capacity. These aren't just liver friendly foods, they're life elevating choices. But food alone isn't the full picture. Reducing exposure to alcohol, processed foods, synthetic chemicals, and chronic stress is just as critical. Prioritizing hydration, sleep, movement, and mindful recovery rounds out a holistic liver support strategy that promotes balance and longevity. This 7-day plan is more than a reset. It's a reminder of the incredible regeneration power your liver holds when supported consistently. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, clear your skin, or simply feel more energized and focused, nurturing your liver is a vital act of self care. Here's to respecting your body's internal engine, your biochemical command center. When your liver thrives, everything else follows. Fuel it wisely, live intentionally, and experience the freedom that comes with a clean, vibrant, and metabolically powerful body. I am Coach T, and I am committed to your success. This is True Body Wellness.